Have you ever been in a situation where you're holding a flashlight to see, but then you need your hand? Perhaps when you're trying to film a deer, hold a flashlight and your dog at the same time? It's not fun. So today we're fixing that and going hands-free with the ThruNite Thrower Headlamp. The headlamp comes packed nicely in a small and well-padded box. It comes with a 3400 mAh rechargeable battery, a USB-C charging cable, spare O-rings, and a spare USB cover. Now, I've used a few headlamps, but they've always been cheap throwaways. But this one is built to last. It's made with aircraft-grade aluminum alloy and feels so durable, and the button layout is great. The flashlight attaches to a high-quality head strap. Now, this part surprised me. I wasn't expecting it, but it's made of really squishy material, and honestly, it just feels comfortable to wear. The entire headlamp weighs 5.6 ounces, so it's easy to forget you're wearing it after a while. Now, as comfortable as this head strap is, you can also remove the flashlight and use it handheld. When the light's on, you can press and hold the side to cycle through low, medium, and high settings. And like all the other ThruNite products, you can double-click quickly to turn on turbo mode. Now, this mode enables the 1755 lumen flashlight to shine up to 1059 feet, or 323 meters. This gives you a long range of vision and gives you options for visibility. So I wore this around on a little night hike, and I was truly impressed with how bright and comfortable this headlamp was. I hardly thought about it. Occasionally I would cycle through the brightness settings, but other than that, I didn't have to touch it or reposition it. It held its spot and it lit my path. I love this little headlamp, and I can finally toss my old headlamps. Now, this flashlight is perfect for any situation. It's even IPX8 waterproof. And if that wasn't enough, this headlamp even has emergency modes. You can press and hold the button on the side to enable Firefly mode. This mode can run up to 39 days on a single charge. You can also triple press the button on the side to enable SOS or strobe mode. The Thrower is everything you need and more in a headlamp. It's versatile, it's comfortable, I love the fact you can detach it from the head strap, and it's bright as all get out. So if you'd like to get one for yourself, there's a link to the product in the description below. Till next time, I'm off to go do some more exploring. See ya!